channel. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. Take what resonates and leave those not for others. Watch on your own risk.
Started from the bottom of the year. Started from the bottom of the yo. Bo. Whatever. Hello, Mike Test. Hello. Yes. So, it's Paminta. So, hello, my dear. Hello. Welcome sa ating collective. It's been a while na naman ulit na hindi tayo nakapag-collective. So, let me see what is going on today. There we go. Let me taste muna. Actually, ang gusto ko sana mangyari is magre-reading ako habang iniinom ko to. Pero, yeah. Sa mga magtatanong sa akin kung ano tong iniinom ko, hindi ko na siya i-share kasi baka, 'di ba, gayahin nyo tapos hindi naman sana gatekeep ako, pero it's better na kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng katawan. So, halo-halo na to. Lahat ng herbs is nandito na. So, mamaya meron kayong mga high blood or meron kayong mga something. So, very good. Very good. Okay. Later. So, my dear collective, once again, never mind. Magpupulbo sana ako. Kagaya na sinasabi ko, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hanapin ka ng reading na ito, my dear. Let me see. What is going on sa area ng mga collective? The full card. Yung energy niya, my dear, is more on parang may binubuksan ka na something. You're opening something na walang masyadong kaba. It's more on parang you're building this new energy, my dear, na walang blockage. Okay, I just love yung energy, my dear, over here. And I can also feel, my dear, yung energy na parang may mga tinatanggal ka sa katawan mo. Like you're removing some things, possible na baka mga past na energy, okay? Posibleng nakikita na energy, posibleng hindi nakikita na energy. You just like, yung energy is like you're, parang tinatanggal mo siya. Wala ka masyadong dala sa energy ng full card, my dear. Maliban dun sa napakaliit na bag na yon. Wala ka masyadong dala. You are starting something na wala ka masyadong dala. Okay? Let me see. I love yung energy kasi very happy. Very energetic yung energy ng full card. Okay? Let me see, my dear. The Two of Swords. Acceptance. Hindi pwede na sabihin ko, my dear, na meron pa rin Two of Swords na nangyayari sa'yo, nauna yung full card. So, ibig sabihin, parang ini-embrace mo na. Meron ka nang ini-embrace sa something. Okay? So, yung nakukuha ko dito, my dear, is like, it is going to be very, very hard na i-attack ka. Like, gumawa ng kahit anong distraction or so on and so forth. Because nagkakaroon ka ng acceptance sa mga bagay-bagay. And I think, isa sa formula kung bakit nababaklas yung mga dapat mabaklas sa'yo is because nagkakaroon ka ng acceptance. Sobrang ganda ng energy niya, my dear. The Two of Swords is energy na hindi ka makagawa ng decision because you are like blindfolded. Like, meron kang hinihintay na parang assurance. And dito, my dear, sa energy ng full card, like, sinasabi mo, like, hindi ko kailangan yung assurance na yan. Like, I know, para sa akin talaga, kung ano man tong bagay na, this is just more on acceptance, my dear. Ito yung parang pumasok ka sa isang pintuan, and then, Okay, let me see. Pero ang lakas ng energy, my dear, because nagkakaroon ka na ng acceptance. Yun yung pinaka parang, kumbaga sa kalawang, yun yung nagtatanggal ng kalawang. Yung acceptance na yun yung, my dear, yung nagtatanggal ng kalawang. Okay? Siya yung nagtatanggal ng mga nakadikit sa'yo na something. Okay, once again, hindi lang siya, my dear, yung typical na nakikita mo. Like, for example, galing ka sa isang heartbreak, and then for the longest period of time, parang pinipilit mo na parang, okay, mahal niya pa rin ako. This time, parang nagkakaroon ka na ng acceptance. Okay? You're having this acceptance, my dear, in your life. Okay? And it is the same time din, my dear, sa mga bagay na hindi nakikita with your own two eyes. Okay? So, and, pwede kong pahabain to pero I think that's enough. Okay na yon. Okay? So, let me see, my dear. With the energy of the Queen of Wands, people hate you for being the Queen of Wands. Nung unang hawak ko ng tarot, my dear, si Queen of Wands, ang agad na umano sa akin. Nagkaroon siya ng parang something, okay? And, parang nagkaroon ng kwento sa mind ko about Queen of Wands. Na si Queen of Wands is hindi talaga, alam niya ng mga unang-una na mga tinarot card reader ko, na private reading ko. Okay, ulitin mo yan. Alam niya ng mga tao na private reading ko, yung mga pinakaunang-una pa, na yun ang tawag ko sa kanya. Hindi siya royal blood. But because of the determination niya na mabago yung kanyang life, magkaroon ng change sa life niya, my dear, which is that is you. And people hate Queen of Wands. Lagi sila na-intimidate kay Queen of Wands. Kahit na hindi naman nagpo-provoke si Queen of Wands, nararamdaman nila, my dear, because yung aura ni Queen of Wands is like, power. Diba? There's a tendency, my dear, na meron mga energy out there na nai-intimidate, my dear, sa energy mo bilang si Queen of Wands. Pero, balik doon sa energy mo. Never mind them, okay? This is energy, my dear, na you are unstoppable. Like, gusto ko to okay? And you are decided. Hindi na clouded. You are not blinded anymore with the Two of Swords. So therefore, powerful, as in very powerful yung energy. Mainit pa talaga siya. Let me see. Let me add more. Okay. Next. Strength card, my dear. Release the inner vision. Feel the wind, yung ano ng shampoo. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics Ang ganda. Powerful tong reading na to. Kung sino man to, whoever you are, that's the energy today. That's why ganyan ka. When you wake up, by the time that you wake up, okay, like, confidence. Like, you feel this transformation sa'yo, my dear. No more. You're already you are already clear. As in clear. You're clear. As in. And you have this inner strength. Power itong dalawang to, my dear. Power. The Fool card and the Strength card is just like power. Like, nasabi ng mga tao sa'yo, wag mo gawin yan. Di mo nakikita, malalim yung ilalim ng bangin. Like, pakialam ko sa inyo. Like, I don't care. Wala akong pake. Okay? Ganon yung energy. Very risk-taker na energy. Pero alam mo, kahit dito pa lang, nararamdaman ko, my dear, na magiging very life-changer to, my dear. As in, like, super, super life-changer na energy. Like, kakaiba. Yung kanyang impact. Para kang lion na rawr. Ganon. The Page of Swords. Somebody's stalking. And definitely, hindi nila nagugustuhan. Sorry. Definitely hindi nila nagugustuhan. Hindi nila nagugustuhan kung ano yung nangyayari. Like, I don't like what I see. Hindi ko nagugustuhan yung nakikita ko. Like, seriously, hindi siya natatakot. Seriously, hindi siya affected. The magic word is, it's already clear. Hindi nila pwedeng, alam mo, I really hate to use this nila, or siya, or to blame somebody na may kinalaman sa outside. Pero, hindi na pwede, my dear, na magdala ng energy sa space mo that will hurt you. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng acceptance eh. Ay, hindi ka maganda. Ay, hindi ka matalino. Ganon. Like, talaga, hindi ka kagaya kay ganito, hindi ka kagaya kay ganon, hindi ka kagaya kay, like, talagang hindi. Magkaiba kami ng pangalan eh. Di ba? Magkaiba kami ng name. Ganon ka mag-react. And hindi nila nagugustuhan yan. They don't like it. Hindi nila nakikita. Ay, hindi nila nagugustuhan yung nakikita nila. Okay. Let me see. Add pa tayo. Once again, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hanapin ka ng mga reading na ito. We have here the energy of the chariot. The chariot. Okay. Moving forward. And at the same time, balancing your emotion. You are in control. Like, umalis ka dyan, ako magdadrive. Alam mo, nakukuha ko dito, parang for the longest period of time, merong energy na nagko-control ng life mo and nagma-manipulate ng life mo. Kung paano siya mag-work and paano siya mag-flow into place. And, parang, ganun yung energy. Akin na, kotse ko to, ako magdadrive, buhay ko to, ako magdadrive. Yun ang nakukuha ko dyan. Like, wag mo kong linlangin. Pusit ka. Wag mo kong linlangin. Somebody's actually watching you to fail. Gusto nila makakita ng failure. Okay? Lampas ko yung mic. Okay? So, gusto nila makakita ng failure. Gusto nila makakita ng dramatic na scenes. Something like that. Like, alam mo yung parang typical na parang gagawa ka ng isang desisyon tapos makikita nila na parang, see, you cannot make it. Parang ganun yung energy, my dear. Yung parang ang lakas makakontrabida nung energy, malakas maka-princess punsalan nung peg. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Pero as of this moment, like, hindi nila nagugustuhan ng kanilang nakikita. Bakit? Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng acceptance. And yun ang pinaka nakakatakot sa isang tao pag nagkaroon na siya ng acceptance. Yung mga bagay, kasi may certain period lang, my dear, para mabuhay ka doon sa illusion na yun eh. Lalo na kung hindi naman talaga sa'yo yun eh. There is some energy, there are some people, or there's some energy, my dear, na they will try na ilagay ka talaga doon sa Barbie land, or sa Barbie world, or sa Disneyland, okay? And of course, dahil first time mo makatungtong sa Disneyland, you will be, wow, it's Disneyland! Oh, like, okay. And then, sa sobrang excited mo, sometimes you make accidents, di ba? Nakakatabig ka, nakakabasag ka, and, di ba, sa real life, you make mistakes, di ba? Because, di ba nga, first time mo sa Disneyland. Pero habang tumatagal, dahan-dahan mo nare-realize na, It is just more on, I hope naintindihan yung sinasabi ko kasi this is a collective, ha? It is just more on parang, may mga tao na sasabihin, ay masamang tao yan. Kasi nung high school siya, ganito. High school, you will use me the term of high school, and you will define yung buong personality ko because of my high school? Like, hello? You will define my whole personality nang dahil meron kang narinig? Galing sa ibang tao? Or mga past mistakes ko, we have here the 7 of Cups. You know what you want. You know what you want. Try to distract you. They will still try to distract you, my dear. Susubukan ka pa rin talagang i-distract. Like, oh, baka gusto mo ng coffee, wag ka na uminom ng tea. Coffee na lang, mas maganda ang coffee. Baka gusto mo ng ganito, gusto mo ng ganyan. Pero mararamdaman mo, my dear, yung pinaka-overall na energy to, na nagkakaroon lang talaga ng clarity. As in, nagkakaroon lang talaga ng clear. As in, super, super clear vision ng kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Of course, this is going to be a general collective reading, so everybody will not resonate 100% sa reading na to. Pero once na naka-resonate ka dito, congratulations. Congratulations. Let me see, darling. Let me add more. Ang lakas ng energy ng Leo. Cancer over here, the Seven of Pentacles. This is going to be the last card, my dear. You will be rich. I'm not joking. Itong binubuksan mo na panibagong portal is magdadala to ng napakalaking transformation sa iyo, my dear. It will bring a big transformation sa life mo. This is the time, my dear, na hindi ka na talaga like, may sumisilip na card. Wait lang. Tinatawag niya ako. Wait a minute. The Four of Wands. Stable. Tinatawag niya ako. Nakita ko siya. This is energy, life-changing changer na energy, my dear, sa buhay mo. Merong masakit ang mga mata. Hindi nila nagugustuhan yung nakikita nila. They will try. Let me see. I will get cards. They will try. Nakukuha ko. They will try to distract you. Okay. Pretending to be your allies. Cheers! Congratulations! Like I told you, you will make it. Pero, you know it. Kasi bakit? Nung nag-uumpisa ka, wala sila. Nung nag-uumpisa ka, wala sila. So, hindi na sila pwede mag-pretend ngayon na parang, I'm on your side. Talaga naman talaga, I truly believe. Naniniwala naman talaga ako sa'yo ever since the world began. Like, talaga? Congratulations! I told you. Noon pa naman nakikitaan na kita ng ability. Noon pa naman nakikitaan na talaga kita ng potential eh. Talaga ba? The Death card. It's over. Add pa tayo ng isa pa, my dear. Nag-cut ka na. And eto na yung card natin kanina. Like, you're opening new doors. And they will try to be maging allies mo, maging kakampi mo. Pretend na maging kakampi mo. Pero you decided na, bakit ako iinom sa isang baso kasama nyo? Or kakain sa isang lamesa kasama nyo? Eh, alam ko naman na lahat ng obstacles and struggle ko sa buhay, kayo ang may gawa. So, So, my dear, yan ang ating collective reading, my dear. Hindi ko na pahabain. Pwede ko itong paabutin ng ilang minuto o isang oras because of, diba, the very, very nice na energy. Pero I hope and pray, my dear, na kung sino man ang makakatanggap ng message na ito or makaklik ng message na to. Kasi tatawagin ka ng reading na to eh. It's like, pag clinic mo to, kasi wala naman ako ilalagay kundi good morning collective lang. Yun lang naman ilalagay ko dyan. Wala ako ilalagay na kahit ano. Possible na baka i-edit ko rin yung thumbnail nito. It is just means na pag na-click mo to, itong eksaktong reading na to is nangyayari to or mangyayari na sa buhay mo. It's not an accident na napanood mo to. Kasi karamihan ng collective ko walang masyadong nanonood. So, pag na-click mo to, and this is going to be a timeless reading, you will be changing. You will have this transformation sa life mo. Okay? So, my dear, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa collective na ito. And always remember na ang mga cards natin ay gabay lamang, tayo pa rin ang gumagawa ng ating kapalaran. ng ating kapalaran. Maraming salamat po. May iniisip ako.